Hey everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic, talking about your family. It's one of the first things you learn to do when you meet new people, so let's get it right. We'll learn all the essential words you need from your immediate family to your extended relatives. By the end of this video, you'll be able to introduce your loved ones with confidence. Ready to get started? Let's go. First up, let's look at this picture. Imagine someone asks, "Is that your family?" You can simply say, "Yes, it is." Easy, right? Now, let's get into the details. If someone points to a man in the photo and asks, "Who's that?" and he's your partner, you'd say, "That's my husband." The word is husband. Can you say that with me, husband? Great. Now, if you are a man and you're talking about your female partner, you would say, "That's my wife." Let's practice that one too. Wife. So we have a husband and wife together. They are a married couple. Now, let's talk about the younger members of the family. Look here. Someone might ask, "Who's that?" pointing to a young boy. You can answer, "That's my son." Son. And if they point to a young girl, you'd say, "That's my daughter." Daughter. Let's repeat those. Son and daughter. If you have more than one son or daughter, you refer to them together as your children. For example, "These are my children." If you have a very young child, maybe one who can't walk or talk yet, you would call them a baby. So cute. So we have son, daughter, children, and baby. You're doing great. Let's expand our family tree a bit more. What about your own parents? Look at this woman in the picture. "Who's that?" someone asks. You can say, "That's my mother." Mother, another common and more affectionate word for mother is mom. And for the man who is your parent, that's my father. Father, a more casual word is dad. Together, your mother and father are your parents. So if someone asks about both of them, you can say, "Those are my parents." Let's review mother, father, and together they are parents. Simple. Now let's talk about siblings. Siblings are your brothers and sisters. If you have a male sibling, you say, "That's my brother." Brother. And if you have a female sibling, you'd say, "That's my sister." Sister. So you might have a brother, a sister, both, or neither. If you want to talk about them collectively, you use the word siblings. For example, I have 2 siblings, a brother and a sister. Let's practice brother and sister. Perfect. Let's go 1 generation further back. Who are your parents? Parents, they are your grandparent. Your father's father or your mother's father is your grandfather. Grandfather and your father's mother. Or your mother's mother is your grandmother. Grandmother. So we have grandfather and grandmother. It's a nice picture, isn't it? It shows multiple generations. All these people together make up a family. Family is such a wonderful word. So let's put it all together now with a complete example. Look at this picture again. Let's say this is Maria's family. If I ask, "Who's this?" pointing to the man, you could say, "This is her husband." Pointing to the boy, "This is her son." Pointing to the girl, "This is her daughter." And this older woman, "This is her mother." See how it all connects? You've just learned how to describe a whole family tree. Let's do a quick recap of all the words we learned today. Family, parents, mother, father, husband, wife, children, son, daughter, baby, sister, brother, grandparents, grandmother, grandfather. That's a lot of new vocabulary. I recommend you pause the video and write these words down. Practice saying them out loud. Maybe you can even find a family photo of your own and try to describe who everyone is. That's the best way to make these words stick. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about family vocabulary. I hope you found this lesson helpful and that you feel more confident talking about your loved ones in English. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.